What's up, YouTube? This is Ghost, and today we are going to be playing a game called Wrangler. So I thought this game was pretty cool. We're going here, and we're gonna. Oh shoot! I clicked on the wrong thing. No, I think I clicked on the wrong thing. No, I didn't. Okay. So I played this game a little bit. Spawn a new vehicle. Yes. Spawn the new vehicle. Get in the vehicle. Do I need to go in this way? Yes, I do. Okay. So I already have a little bit of money. You can see I have like $347. Oh, this guy. Wait, what? What level is he? Level 9. So I'm gonna show you how to wrangle some animals. Wrangle some animals. So we gotta avoid this cow's attacks. Don't kill me. And they can kill you. They can and will kill. Oh, he damaged me. Ah! No! 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 I clicked on the wrong thing. I'm gonna die. This is embarrassing. The first one I show you and I'm probably gonna die. Because you can get in a bad situation where you're like in a position where you can't dodge, and you don't want that. And I'm gonna get in one of those positions. Oh oh, I did it. Okay. Yay. Okay. Throw. Okay. We wrangled him. He's been wrangled. So there's an area in this little map that a level 8. Okay, I think we can do this one. Yeah. Get up the hill. Okay. Get up the hill, dang it. Okay. Single player. Let's go. Level 8 cow. You ready? You ready, level 8 cow? Oh shoot. Here's a low. Ow, how did that damage me? What? Just gotta wear him out until his energy is low enough. Oh, what? That was not where he was going. That makes no sense. That's not fair. That's cheap. Yes, we got him. Yay, we did it, guys. We got another cow. Okay. Throw in the back of the trunk. There we go. We got those two cows together. Together forever. Because I'm going to take them. And then I'll probably... I haven't started on the zoo yet. So maybe we'll do that. Okay. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Stop it. Okay. What level? There's a level 3 cow. What level is this chicken? Level 8 chicken. Let's do it. Hey, chicken. And then level 9. Gotta get that chicken. Oh, jeez. It's fast. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, okay. It's a speedy chicken. Jeez. They recommend you start out at lower levels, but I've been able to wrangle like level 9 chickens and level 9 animals like really good, really well, without any issues. Yay, got my chicken! Chicken! Come chicken, going back of cow. Okay. Chicken! Sorry, I had to pause it for a minute. Okay, we are back and ready to go. Into the van. My chicken van. My animal van. Level 5 cow now. What level are you, chicken? Oh, that's a yellow chicken. Level 2. No, not with my time. Okay. Oh, I like that chicken. No. Not worth my time. It's not a high enough level. Just so you know, I'm not actually at the place where I usually do my recording and stuff, so I'm just on a laptop on a bed, and I'm on the floor, but my laptop's on the bed, so it's not the best recording setup. Level 3 chicken, level 8 cow, level 4 chicken. Let's get another good chicken. Level 4 chicken. Ah! No, oh shoot, nope, sorry chicken. Sorry chicken! I love chickens. Okay. Here we go. Chicken. Level 4 now. Level 6 now. Level 2 now. Don't watch your chickens. Okay. Level chicken. Level 10 chicken. Okay, we're gonna get this chicken. Then we're gonna do a zoo thing. Oh shoot, my cow's in the way. This is gonna be a lot harder since I put my cow in the way. Wait, can I cheap it out? Hold on, wait. No, I can't cheap it out. No, that was a bad idea. Oh god. Bad idea. Okay, come on. Chicken, wear out. Get tired, man. Oh, I can't. No, you're gonna kill me. No, chicken, no. Chicken, no. Oh, we did it. Oh, level 10 chicken. Oh my god. And then we'll get this. Then we'll get a lower level chicken. Just because I want one. Oh, chicken. Oh, level 7 chicken. Okay. Here we go. Sorry, there's notifications going on in the background, if you can hear those. Chicken. The chicken's a fast, speedy boy. No, chicken. Chicken, no. Chicken, no. Chicken, stay out of here. Chicken, get wrangled. Chicken. Yay, he's down. Pick up chicken. Take chicken to van. Put chicken in back. Okay. Here we go. Okay. So let's get this level 7 cow. Okay. We're gonna get this cow, and then we're gonna go to the zoo. Oh, angry cow. Angry cow. Ow. Its horn grazed me, so I was badly injured. Ah! I'm in the red fire circle. Try to survive from a demon cow. Oh god. No. Oh god, I got it. Yay! Heck yeah. Cow, come with me. You're the last in my van. Okay. There's the coach, guys. Going on a trip in a fair. This guy. Okay. Going on adventure. Going on adventure. You guys are my cow and my chicken, yeah, my friends. Stealing you. Oh no! No! Cow! Don't follow me, no! Okay, there we go. For a second I thought I was gonna die. Go, dang it! Stop! Get up! Okay, yay! We're driving to the factory where I'm gonna shove my animals in, and I'm not gonna meat grind them. I might, but I'm probably not because I'm not vegetarian either. Blah, blah, blah. Probably triggered someone. Okay. We're going at almost max speed. Chicken, watch out! We got 3. Oh, jeez, what the? Was that an invisible cow? I always knew they existed. I legitimately couldn't see that cow, so that's why I was like, is that... I didn't see the wheels. That was weird. Okay. I know, I only saw the... No, I only saw the wheels, but I didn't see them, like, in the moment. Okay. Animals. I'm gonna put you in here. You. Go in there. You. Go in there. You. Chicken. Okay, you go in there. You go in there. And you go in there. And oh, those are my wheels. Are those my wheels? I don't even know. Okay, there we go. We got my animals. Okay. Here are my list of animals. Okay. And can I sell? Yeah, how much would this sell for? Okay, sell. We're just gonna get enough to get 500, I think. And one more should do. Yes. Okay. Go 500. Okay. Now, we are going to go fast travel, and we are going to fast travel to... Wait, where is my phone? Oh, travel to a zoo. There we go. Here's my zoo. Here's my zoo. I'm at my zoo. Okay. Build. Cages. Oh, shop. Oh, now I have to buy cages and stuff. Dang it. Designed for one farm. Oh, two farmland animals. What if we get a lodge? And we can have 4 animals in there. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, build. Cages. Okay. We're gonna have the big boy right here. Okay. We're gonna go to this where the animals. Oh, options. Select an item. Manage animals. Okay. We're gonna put. Wait. Can I not? Sewers? What? What is this sewers nonsense? Okay. Boom. Oh shoot, I can't see it. Okay. Boom. Okay. Boom. 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 Yay, now we got my 3 animals in there. We got 2 chickens and a cow. Okay, cool. And then, okay. Wait. I'm recording. I'm recording a video. I'll be done in a second. Okay. We are just going to shop. Is there a sewers thing? Okay. Is there a small sewer cage? I would like if there was a small sewer cage so I could put a ninja turtle. Okay, you wanna know what? Wait, let's get a... Oh, we're just gonna get this. No, okay, fine, I'll buy this stuff. Okay, I'm gonna leave this episode here. I'm sorry my grandma came in. Okay, I'm gonna leave this episode here. I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for coming and viewing this video, and I'll speak to you later. Bye.